Sorry guys for that. The light was gone, but we are back now. Yes, I forgot that in Fridays there are light cutouts in our area just to check some wires and something like that. What we call that? A what we call that thing where wireman comes and check the wires. But this is night. Why would anybody do such thing at night? 12 uh, this is 12 a.m. now, almost 12 a.m. But no worries, we are back and we are continue making game. Okay, the thing is, first of all, let me show you the progress. Okay, this is our first checkpoint, by the way, in the back. Okay, and you know how the day mode looks like, but we are not interested in that. We are more interested in the night mode. First of all, let me just see if sorry, if how this looks like. Yes, this is looking good. Max graphics are looking good. Also, graphics card is screaming in my ear, but that's okay. My ears can tolerate that. Okay, this is our night mode, and we are having around 50, 55, 55, around 55 frame rate. So yeah, but that's not important. The important thing is, because the light was gone, my two viewers are also gone. The stream gone. Nothing is there to watch. Let me just reduce my graphics and let's continue. I'm not here to play the level, but just to enjoy the view of the game. If there are any minor mistakes, okay. I took this checkpoint. I have to take this checkpoint. The checkpoint remains. The checkpoints remain. Okay. After this, I am going to add a load and save function. Okay, one checkpoint remain, which is in the front of finish line. And yes, we are done. Let me see how the grass works with the map. What reminders do I have? Yes, make grass hide option. Okay, let's do it first. Make grass hide option in retro drift. I don't have to save this. It is This is very convenient to access the unsaved file. If it is very important, then I'll save the file. For now, no. By the way, guys, if you are watching the stream first time, first time, just stumble upon the stream. My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket Crush, and I make games and share my progress on YouTube. And also, I share my some scripts which people might spend days to create, but I'll uh, do it for the script makers and share the script on YouTube. In previous stream, actually, let me just change this. And the thing is, in previous stream, there was a viewer which suggested me to uh, asked me about uh, Discord. The thing is, I have Discord, but I have nothing in it. It is like a have a WhatsApp account, but never message, did nothing. Some it is like that. I have it, but is this mosquitoes? Oh, okay. Okay, this map is done actually, and I am okay. Now what? Yes. Now we are going to add a. Now we are going to add a thing, the grass thing, environment. I'll put it in environment. Again, the English thing, the typical English thing. Environment. It is not environment, or should I call that environment? Wait, what? It is there. Okay, and here I can change the. I don't want to expand. Shrink, don't shrink down, shrink up. My god, this is the UI part. I almost used this engine for 1 year now. Actually, more than 1 year. And the UI part, control node part, is still confuses me sometimes. Make me look like a fool. Okay, here we are. We are changing the name by. Okay, we are changing the name grass. Disconnect, reconnect. Just above, oh, right here. Okay. On cross toggle button pressed, the we have to. Now we are going to add a. We are going to add a variable in UI script. If you guys don't know, I had a entire. Oh, these little bastards. They're gone. I'm talking about mosquito. They are so annoying. Even if they are not hungry. Which mosquito do I have right now here? I don't want to get infected by any mosquito. Which are the most common big mosquitoes? Let me just see. Yes, it was looking like this. Not like this. Thank God. Okay, it's just a common mosquito. Hope. Let me just put my shirt sleeves down. Okay, right here you can see this. At least my hands are now covered. Okay, wait a second, guys. I'll be back on the coding part. Okay, that's why I use the full hand, what with its full shirts, and I have t-shirts and half shirts, but the main thing I use the these full-handed shirts are basically mosquitoes. The mosquitoes don't. The one button is fine. By the way, we have a one viewer. If you are confused what I am doing, I am protecting my hands from mosquitoes. After that, I am going to change some things in my script, and I'll explain what I am doing, how am I doing. By the way, if you are stumbled upon just stream, my name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush. I make games, share my knowledge and progress on my games on YouTube, live stream, and I'm almost done. Why is my right hand so weak to these for these buttons? Yes. Okay, we are done. My hands are protected. Okay, I am going to add a. Is this correct script? No. Where is the correct script? Hmm. Okay. In the objects, maybe. Yes. Grass. No, in the LVL folder. This is our source script. And here I am going to add one more variable. It is under environment variable a k variable grass. It is going to be bool false. Yes. And we are going back to our menu script where it is. Where is this script? A procedure. Hmm. A night mode, and we are going to apply our safe. Let me just change the name of it with grass. Grass and a, you can notice I'm not talking too much because I'm finding a lot of things here. I mean, I'm finding a one thing in a lot of things. So I dot grass equals button pressed. So if the button is pressed, then grass equals true. If the button is not pressed, then grass equals false. Okay. Now we are going to our grass scene GTSCN. Here we are, and again in the process delta, we are going to one more thing. That is, we are going to add one more thing. That is grass, or you can say G. Also, one more variable I want to add, that is the glowing particles, twinkling particles. T. Let's add it. Twinkle. TWINKLE, and one more cross. It is a little bit confusing, but you can see here, right here, the main cross node is also have a child with the same name. Hmm. And what we are going to do here is, this grass is emitting or not. The emitting, what is the name of its property? Okay, it's emitting E EMI EMI equals UI dot grass. Okay, yes, बरोबर. UI dot grass. Then twinkle dot, same thing. Twinkle dot emitting equals UI dot grass. Yes, we are done with the grass. I hope this will work fine. For this to test, I have to first of all let me hide it initially. Let me put a ramp back here so players can enjoy the view of grass only. If I play, let's go to level 10 directly. It's our level 10 and our grass is invisible. And what happens if I turn on the grass? There it is. It is not emitting. What happens? Oh yes, of course. I did a big mistake by uh, hiding it. I actually have to stop emitting it from here, or maybe not, because it will uh, stop emitting immediately after starting the game. Am I talking too slow? I think I am talking too slow. Okay, let's see. Now the grass is not here, but if I turn on the grass will be there. Yes, okay, this is looking good at the day. And if I close it, the grass will be gone. Yes, a little handy tool we have created right here. And you can see, if you don't know how this grass works, I made a whole stream on only grass. How I made grass, I explained in that stream. Actually, it did not require any of a 3D sorry, any of script. You can see the graph looks beautiful. So it looks like at the night time. It looks without any other light. It looks like I am in a zombie apocalypse. Mhm. Let's see how it looks like when I am on the ramp or road, whatever you can say, whatever you want to say, near the light. I hope this will the uh, which shader it is. The particle shader will work with also the lights. For now, you can see what's wrong here. If you are too close to the light, the grass will go low too much. And at the night, I don't even need the shadows because the shadow is uh, very vivid. Not vivid. What can we call that? Faint. It is also very faint to see. So we are having very good graphic, very good performance. Right here, you can see at the left down corner, 60 fps. See how far we can push it. Hmm. Okay, it is going to 170 at the max. So yes, this is it. And now we are going to add our 7 load script. I hope my OBS is working well. Anybody is here watching my stream, You can ask me any question for now. Uh, I'll stay like this in chat mode for 2 minutes, and then I'll continue working on my code. By the way, let's see if we have anything good to see on sketchfab. Hmm. Okay. The best thing about sketchfab I like is the demonstration. You can see what I can download this for free. Hmm. Nice. I also have some assets, but these are not the great assets. They stay some uh, common assets. The guns. Yeah, yeah, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes are over, and we are going back to our uh, cross thing is done, guys. Okay, so in our reminder, make a grass hide option is done. Someone commented this in my last stream, and the light is gone. The light was gone before the light was gone. I said, your games looks awesome. There are very few 3D games being made in Godot. Okay, thank you for that. There is a game, Road to Ostork. Ostork. How should I pronounce it? They have a YouTube channel as well, and YouTube channel name very impressive. What is this game? Let's see. Road to Vostok. See what is this? Maybe not on YouTube. Oh yeah, this game. Is this on? I think I heard about this game. Yes, I heard about this game. I think the who's what's his name? Yes, the game from scratch and stay at home dev. These two guys, I think these guys noticed this game and mentioned it on YouTube. Hmm, this is looking nice. What is the price of the game? Let's see on Steam. Yeah, my Steam is taking so long. And let's search that game. Okay, this free game. Okay, maybe the uh, demo version is free. Yes. And what is the price of the actual game? Early access game. Okay, download. Okay. Uh, Road to Vostok. What is Vostok? You can see the trailer here. Actually, this looks nice. I mean, I expected this kind of graphics from Godot. That it's not surprising to me, but they pulled it very nicely with the lighting and whole SDFGI. I think SDFGI means screen space, not screen space. The sign distance field global illumination. I think they used that in the game. But look at the look at this. These are looking beautiful. Yes, I will absolutely try this game. I'll try the demo. Yeah. Well, nowadays most of the games have the similar the what we call that what we call this thing, the loadout. Yes, loadout. Very similar loadout to most of the games. But yes, they managed to do it well. Yeah, I mean, I'm judging the game by uh seeing the. I mean, I'm judging the book by seeing its cover, but I have to try the book. I have to read the book from inside. I might try this game, but for now, it will stay in my reminder. Most of the things will go back. Okay, it is the YouTube channel name. I'll keep it IT name. Now what? What else do we have? We have UI sound bars are not working. Okay, for now, Steam is going to turn off. It's Steam. I think Steam use the actual OS inside the actual operating system inside the Windows. That's why I have to shut down the Steam and not just turn off the app. Okay, mm, let's continue. The grass. The sounds are not working as well. So what should we do here? I think I should add some sounds also here and Hmm. Hmm. I don't have UI and music sound for now, but engine sound is not working as I intended. Sounds, there are the sounds. Graphics, levels, sounds. There are the sounds. AI dot engine sound. Okay. Yep. Nothing is wrong in this script. So this is UI, sounds, engine sound. Nothing is wrong here. So all comes down to car. Let's see what's wrong with the sound thing here. So this is the sound of car, and this is the way. So what we are doing here is pitch scale playing UI dot toggle engine sound. Do I have UI dot toggle engine sound in settings? No, I don't have any toggle option here. So why do I have toggle option in the script? Let's remove it. Toggle sounds. Now let's go to our here sound script. What does pitch scale mean? I'm not in the sound music that thing much, but yes, I'm trying to work on that. I'm trying to learn also about musics. Okay. So let's see the engine sound, how it sounds. Oh no, what am I doing? Let me just stop them emitting the particles first. And now let's see what's wrong with the sound. I have to stop my music for now because sound testing. Okay, this is the car with pitch scale 1. What about point 0.5? Okay, The thing is, uh, changed the. I haven't made some. I have to make some titles here. So this is volume, and this is pitch, or you can say all over sound. Okay, what is volume dB? Minus 26. I should change this. I think the max dB instead of volume dB. You can see now it is almost gone. The sound is almost gone, but I can still hear the sound. So minus 24 is the last value. What if I put 7 here? Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, so instead of volume dB, I'm going to use max dB. Max dB. Is it correct? Property name max dB. Yes, okay. And again, I'm going to change it, change the engine sound value, and the max value is 6 and minimum value is minus 24. I don't actually know this. I don't know this number. I don't know these numbers. I just I'm just figuring out how to make changes in the thing. Maximum value and the current value is going to be 3. Yes, I thought I didn't stop the playing sound. Now let's check the sound, how this works. Actually, the sound thing is so boring. I have to close my music. Okay, where should I test it? Let's test it on level 10. Okay, here we go. There is no sound. If I just increase the sound, what? No sound again. I don't know what is happening. Oh, Let me check again if I am missing something. UI dot engine sound, and here on settings, main. Function ready. Autoplay. Oh yeah, I had to just turn on autoplay value. But now you can hear the thing. The car is having some sound here, and let's increase the sound, engine sound. I hope this sound is increased, but not as much as I wanted. And now let's see if I'm muted. I hope it's not sounding at all. It still have a very little bit sound, but yes, we are good. I'm fine with this. Oh yes, if you are watching the stream first time, hi guys. Wait a second. I have to do these things. Hi guys, my name is Sanket and you are watching Sanket's Brush. It's so weird to look at the camera, my phone. I never look like this. I never see the things and talk to the things like this. So yes, you think I'm looking at you, viewer, but I'm not looking at you. It's so weird to look at the camera. Okay, I hope I will settle this topic here with UI dot sound bar not working. This is not a problem anymore. You should use. Okay, again, guys, the last viewer of this stream was suggested me to use this thing. Oops, use this thing. Trello. I don't know what is this, so let's see what is this. What is the Trello? Trello makes it easier for teams to manage projects and tasks. Yeah, it is just like GitHub. Okay, nice. But I am good. Thank you for your suggestion. What was his name? Viraj, Vishal, uh, something like that. Thank you for your suggestion. Oh yeah, Vishal Yadav. Maybe. I hope that was his name. But let's continue to our next thing. What next thing we should do? The 10 levels are complete, but yeah, the 10 levels are complete, and these are settings. Mm, okay, this is looking good. Let's just play it one more time. I never played this 10th level seriously. So it always took me 2.5 minutes. This time I'm going to play it seriously. Let me turn off shadows. Low. I'm going to make all graphics low, and I'm going to quickly finish the level, and let's see what time take to complete the level. First, let's go. I'm not gonna take a U-turn. Backspace to continue. Okay. But how did that happen? I have to check that. After this level, I'm gonna check that. Again, okay. It is because of the little bump. I have to. Oh, let's go back from here. Yes, I made it in less than 2 minutes. So yes, that's good. I hope I don't crash. I'm turning all of my graphics on, and also graphs and night mode. Not night mode, but graph. Oh, the grass looks like from out here, from upside. The frame rate is 50, but I do not care right now. Okay. The grass looks so dark in the dark. Shadows are working perfect on the grass. That's nice. But the ambient occlusion is not working so perfect. Maybe, oh yeah, indirect light is not working as much good as I intended. But all other things are looking so good, working fine. This is the map. The thing is, I can notice the uh, the grass is ending here. I don't want that to happen. I want to see the grass on the edge also here. So I'll find some tricks. Hopefully, I'll find some tricks on that. How can I make that? But this is how it looks with grass, and this is how it looks without grass. It doesn't make much difference, but yes, I like the grass in the games. Okay, and these are our flat graphics. Very basic. This is what you are going to see in your mobile device. No grass, no shadows, no nothing, just you and the flat game. If you are playing it on mobile, by the way. Okay. Okay, I think I'll stop the stream here and I'll find some I'll find some no wait a second. I almost forgot to do one thing. The levels, which was that level, yes, of course, level 9, there was a bump in this loop. When I tried to complete this loop, the car was always trying to crash here. Wait a second. So I was telling that the car always the car yeah, I think I cannot see it properly because of the trees. Okay. So this road yes, correct. This ramp right here, you can see this is a loop, this loop, and this ramp is a little bit in this side, little bit this side. So that's why the car is pumping on the loop, I guess. Let's just pull it on which axis? Z axis. Not this much, just a little bit. Okay, this will work. And yes, this was the last error. And yes, again, uh, I think this is going to happen again and again. Whenever I close my Godot project, actually my mobile was getting connected before I downloaded this IQ. I Irwin, something like that. Whatever this is. Wait a second, guys. Come on. Okay. Yes. So this is it. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. If you guys have any suggestions for me, again you can tell me, ask me, say me. By the way, tomorrow we are having a break from coding and we are going to play only games. So I have Trackmania. I don't play this game as much because there is no that feeling I mean uh, the combat master have incredible movements and best UI, just like a Call of Duty Warzone. And it is actually a mobile game which was just only imported on PC. That's why it is so fast. Tomorrow we are going to play Trackmania, and yes, we will meet tomorrow at the 10 p.m. For now, goodbye.